Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Face ID function in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the store button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the app settings section, click on the Face ID button. And in order to enable this function, click on the white circle next to it. And then you can choose to auto lock this function to 1 minute, 2, 5 and 10 minutes. So it means that Face ID will be required to unlock the application 1 minute after closing the app. So you can just choose whichever you want, and then this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.